Hey everyone, Miles with Stream Elixir support today. Today we are going to be going over two buttons rather than one. This is going to be a quick video. These buttons are very simple and very to the point. So the first one we will cover is the statistics, also known as the stats button. As you can see, it's right here, right under the lightning bolt. So obviously this is statistics or stats if you want to call it. It's going to list everything that the program has done, how you've improved, and that's what we'll cover. So our stats, we started the program 38 minutes ago. The current views have increased by none because I'm not streaming, but if you were streaming, you would see a current stat record of how you've increased in views. You can see the total messages sent. You can see host, lurk, and advertisement on a pie chart. And then you have your messages per minute, estimated messages per hour, current messages this session, all-time messages that the program has sent, the amount of lurk messages the program sent, the amount of advertisement messages the program has sent. Followers. We have 391 followers. 45 of those channels follow me back. 45 channels that I personally follow. Channels. We have 153 people on our lurk list. 2 advertisement channels. 34 of those 153 channels are live. And here you can see a nice pie chart. 119 users are offline, 34 are live. The session interaction. We're going to be zeroed pretty much all over here because once again, we're offline, we're not streaming, I don't have the program running. We have 0 mentions. This will go up as people mention you with the @ symbol on Twitch. We have been banned from 0 channels. We have 10 channels added newly. We have removed 0 channels. We have 0 channels hosted, and we have 0 host requests. Very simple page, just statistics, nothing crazy in here. The next tab we will be going over is the history button. Sorry, I said tab. I should have called it a button. So the history button is exactly what it says it is. The history of the program that you're running. We have 2 tabs, sent messages and mentions. Any messages you've sent, any messages that the program has sent are going to be listed here. We have an option here to filter messages you have sent recently or lurk messages you have sent recently. Any type of messages that this program has sent out is going to be listed here. You can come check back as a reference to stuff you've sent. Or if anyone's upset, you can check specific messages. If something went wrong, you can always check right here. It's your messages history. The next tab is the mentions. This is where any message you have been mentioned in will be listed. So if someone typed in, "Hey, great stream," tagged me with the @ sign in my Twitch name, it's going to list it here for you. Once again, this is Stream Elixir support. There's not much information I can provide on these 2 tabs because there's just not much in them. They're very simple to the point. Once again, this was a video covering the statistics and history tab. I appreciate everyone who checks out these videos. I appreciate everyone in the community. I appreciate anyone and everyone who just wants to check us out, man. You know, we're trying to do something great here, something that's never been done. I really think you all should give us a chance. Check us out. You can find us on streamelixir.com, our personal website. You can find us in our community Discord. Both will be listed in the description at the bottom of this video. If you ever have any questions, feel free to hop in our Discord at any time and message me, Miles, or the Flying Pie, or any of our support members, or just hop into the general chat and shoot your question out. Someone's going to answer it. We've got Spanish support and German support, and also American support. So any type of language we're trying to cover. If you have any questions, just ask us. We're here to support and help, man. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for checking out the series, and we will continue it in the next video. Have a good day.